That's my ogi with almond milk and peanut butter for my breakfast. Yeah, ogi, akamu. But this akamu is made with oat and cornmeal, corn maize flour. Yeah, with peanut butter, almond milk. It's ready. That's my breakfast for the morning, guys. You see that? Pipe hot. I used to do my cornmeal, akamu. I just feel like drinking akamu, but there's no real proper akamu, so I have to use cornmeal flour, use my almond milk, yeah, and my peanut butter, and my proactive butter, yeah, to do my breakfast. I'm eating this with just on its own. Yeah, you can eat with akara, fried plantain, cooked black-eyed peas, cooking in tomato sauce. You know, that is it, nice, ready. Junction, you can put sugar, but I don't eat sugar, so I'm gonna put some honey. So that is some honey.